Take command of the road in the 2015 Ford F-250. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, turn signal indicator mirrors, adjustable pedals, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.